Hello everyone, welcome back to Techiehelp. In today's video, we will be discussing Google Summer of Code GSoC and the roadmap to crack it in 2025, and we will cover how to search for the best organization and how to contribute to open source projects. My name is Amit Kumar and I am the founder of Techiehelp and a mentor at Gull Script Summer of Code 2024. Throughout my experience in open source contribution, I will guide you on the complete roadmap to crack Google Summer of Code GSoC in 2025. I am here to share my knowledge and experience to help you to level up your coding skills and successfully contribute to open source projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Okay, so without let's get started. So we have a table of contents where we see what topic we will cover in this. Okay, so we have 7 steps in the table of contents. First of all, we are cover about the GSoC 2025 and benefits of GSoCs and how to choose the right organizations and how to choose best repository and how to contribute in the repository and ready for GSoC 2025 and submit your proposal for best chances select in GSoC 2025. Okay, so now we will discuss about the GSoC. So GSoC means Google Summer of Code is an annual program where contributors work with open source organizations on coding projects. It's open to students and newcomers to open source. Okay, so what is the benefits of GSoCs? So the benefit of GSoC to gain real world coding experience, build your network, improve your resume, and earn a good stipend. uh, in 2024, the stipend for Indians range between something 1 lakh 20,000 to 2 lakh 14,000 depending on the project scope and its time duration. Okay, so now let's see what is the requirement to GSoC. Okay, so pre-requirement skills for GSoC. So first of all, we have a good knowledge about version control system means Git and GitHub. Okay, so and basic knowledge of development, any development like front end, back end, and full stacks, and JavaScript, Python, C++, Java. You have any one language command. Okay, and the basic knowledge about open source contributions. What is open source contributions? And we have deep knowledge about Git and GitHub, how it works, version control system, okay, and its command. Okay, so what is the timelines for GSoC? So GSoC generally release your organization in January to February, and March to April it is announced the contributor submitted applications, and it accept the contribution announcements and community bonding period in May, and May to August it is accept the coding period, midterm and final evaluation. In September it extend the coding period for selected projects. Okay, so the basic about GSoC is clear. Okay, it requirement about GSoC, benefit of GSoC, timelines. Okay, so now we will discuss about the GSoC, benefit of GSoC, and how to choose right organization. Okay, so now let's move how to choose right organization. So go on your Google and search GSoC organization. Okay, okay. So go on Google organization homepage and make sure you select year to make increase chances to come all the organization in 2025. So what we'll do, we select the minimum 6 to 7 years, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we have selected all this year. So in this year regularly organization coming to GSoC, so showing in this page, and what will your skill, choose according to this. So click on view and select like Python, JavaScript, Java, CSS, and HTML. Okay, click done. Now we have a filtered organization according to our skills and years. Okay, So this is organization 52 North. Okay. So it come in GSoC 2020, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It is continuously come in GSoC and given projects. Okay. So now click on this and let's see how many project it give. You see here, it is a graph, the number of completed project year wise. Per year, it give in 2016 it give three project, and 24 it gives two project. So we are not selecting this because we have multiple competitor in this open source across the world. Okay, so we are selecting those organization who have bringing number of latest number of project like 13, 15. Okay, so now reject this. Come on, let's see another organization. Let's see num focus. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is a non-focus open code better science. Okay, it is a science and medicines organization, and it is come to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So it's 90% chance to come in 2025, and its technology used like Python, JavaScript, R, Julia C, and C++. Okay, and here you see number of completed project year wise. Okay, in 2016 it gives 7 project, in 17 it give 10 project, and 18 it give 40 projects. Okay, and in 2024 it give 37 project. So this is a good organization uh, to you. Okay, so now go on your Chrome browser, copy this, now focus, copy, paste, oh sorry, write down num focus github. Okay, num focus github, click on this. Okay, so this is a github repo of nom focus. Okay, now here you see the repository, 56 repository it mentioned. Okay, and it is first repo discover cookbook. Okay, now click on this. Okay, here you see issue is 25 and pull request is 3. Okay, so if you have not any knowledge about the git and github, okay, so please explore first. Okay, so now see this issue, and you are beginner, so go on your first issue, good first issue. So no any good first issue. Okay, okay, enhancement, check the possibility, um, impact sketch. Okay, so we have this issue improve high impact sketch on intro page, and this is issue number 62. Okay, and this is our issue. What will say this, it provide a to-do list, and what say this, create a new graphics. Okay, check how the emoji are describe the screen readers. Okay, create a descriptions for the graphics. Okay, matching those to the description. Okay, so it talk about, here you see high impact and low effect. Okay, and it's give a emoji. Okay, and here you see high impact and high effort, and it's always give a emoji. But you see on another side, low impact, low effect. Okay, low effort. Okay, and it's have no any emojis. Okay, and you see on other side, low impact and high effort and no emoji. So this is our issue. So what we'll do, simply copy this, copy, and go on your search bar and paste it and enter. So okay, so so copy this, go on your search bar and paste it and enter. Okay, once go back.